Hey everybody, so today I'm talking about how do you achieve success in your training, your lifestyle, all of it. You got to get really clear, number one, on your goals, and don't set some really janky, like super simple goal like, oh, I want to walk a 5K. Pick something that is challenging and that scares you. Like, I want to walk 50 yards on my hands. That's a good goal. I want to do 30 pull-ups in a row, or I want to hike Mount Kilimanjaro. Something significant that you have to train for that might be 6 to 12 months away, but gives you some excitement in your body that you really want to go and achieve it. The second thing is this program that you're going to make. How many days a week are you going to dedicate to it? Because you have to work all these things out. It's exactly like school. You go into school, university for 4 years. You know, each year it's going to get progressively harder towards your eventual goal of getting a degree. So you do the same thing with this. Is your program set up to give you success in that? For example, if I want body weight strength and size, I want to do a bodyweight program. It might be 8 weeks, it might be 12 weeks, but each week it's going to get about 10% harder so that I continually get stronger. That's a nice way to follow a program and have a program. Now, the next thing that you got to do is you got to track your program, whether it be your nutrition or your eating or even your base alignment work that you do. You got to keep track of it to make sure that you are making those 10% gains each week. Otherwise, you got to do this by intuitiveness and just feel, which a lot of people can do. It's generally higher level, but some people have a lot of success with just intuitively feeling like training harder today, I'm improving, etc. like that. But most people, especially for you guys that are beginners out there, write it down, work to improve 10% each week, not on all exercises, but on a few of them. And maybe next week you'll improve on the other one. And that way you make consistent improvements over the course of 8 to 12 weeks. Now, how do you track your training, your nutrition, or your alignment? I use a notepad. Sometimes I use my iPhone. Sometimes I use my computer. Thing is, you got to figure out a system that works for you. Like I use my notebook here. And I got a bunch of them, and I've been doing it for years because I like to look back at how I've done previously. So make sure you get clear on how to track. So you want to write it down. Every day, Monday, I do this, this, and this. Next week, I'm repeating it, and then I'm going to work to improve on those numbers by 10%. Okay? And then the last one is the style that serves you. You don't have to do kettlebells if you don't like kettlebells. Maybe you like doing body weight. Maybe you like doing Olympic lifting. Maybe you like doing intuitive training, which means you go to your workout area and you just sort of like, what do I feel like doing today? And then how do you improve on that? You just look at what you did previously and say, oh, I did 12 squats the other day, so today I'm going to try and do 13 or 14, something like that. All right, everybody. So hopefully this helped you guys out. Number one, get a goal that really resonates with you, and then simply find a way to go about getting towards that goal. And hopefully you find a path that you really enjoy, whether it's nutrition, alignment, or your training. The main thing is to be happy and healthy, right? All right, like, comment, share, and remember, subscribe if you can. We appreciate your support. Peace.